Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Stocks Telegraph. Before we dive into today's video, we've got a quick ask. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already part of the squad, and turn on that bell so you don't miss any of our latest updates. Also, don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments below and share this video with your friends who might be into stocks or Reddit news. Now, let's jump into today's topic. Today we've got something super interesting to talk about. Reddit, Incorporated, ticker symbol RDDT. That's right, the company that's pretty much the heart of the internet when it comes to memes, debates, and all those crazy online communities we can't get enough of. If you've been paying attention to the stock market or even just following Reddit's IPO, you know that this stock has been popping off. But what's really going on with Reddit's stock, and is it a good investment? Let's break it down together. First, let's talk about the stock itself. Reddit's stock is currently sitting at $164.82 per share, which is already pretty solid. The overall sentiment from analysts is positive. They're pretty bullish on Reddit, with an average recommendation of 1.73, which is closer to a buy than a sell. Now here's the kicker. Over the past 3 months, Reddit's stock has shot up by an insane 125.01%. That's some serious growth, especially in today's market. But even with that massive increase, the stock is still 12.18% below its 52-week high, which means there could be even more upside. Not too shabby, right? When you look at Reddit's profitability metrics, they're impressive too. The company has a gross margin of 87.89%. That's a huge indicator of how efficiently Reddit's running its business. And on top of that, analysts are projecting a huge earnings per share growth of 118.05% in the next year. Talk about potential. Revenue is also looking solid. Reddit saw a sales growth of 48.70% over the past 12 months, and they've posted an insane quarterly earnings growth of 479.20% year over year. That kind of growth is almost unheard of, so Reddit's definitely doing something right. Plus, the company's debt-to-equity ratio is extremely low at 0.01, meaning they're pretty much debt-free, always a good sign for long-term stability. The stock is also trading at a pretty steep premium to its 200-day simple moving average, which means it's riding a serious momentum wave. So things are looking good, but let's take a deeper look at why this stock has everyone talking. Reddit went public in March 2024, and the stock has been on fire ever since. Since its IPO, Reddit's stock price has surged by over 270%. If you jumped in early, you're probably smiling right now. Reddit has definitely become one of the hottest IPOs of the year. But what's fueling this incredible run? Let's break it down. In October 2024, Reddit posted some seriously impressive numbers for third quarter. The company made $348.4 million in revenue, which marks a crazy 68% increase compared to the same period last year. If you ask us, that's pretty incredible, especially for a company that's been around for almost 2 decades. But wait, there's more. Reddit's daily active unique users jumped by 47% to a whopping 97.2 million. More people are using the platform, interacting with content, and driving up ad revenue. Speaking of ads, that's one of Reddit's big revenue drivers. The platform has a massive, engaged user base, and that's an advertiser's dream. Reddit isn't just sitting back and letting its stock do all the work. The company's also making some big moves in the tech space. Earlier this month, Reddit started testing a new feature called Reddit Answers. This AI-powered tool helps users find information, recommendations, and discussions across the platform. It's pretty much Reddit's way of competing with search engines and AI tools like ChatGPT. Why does this matter? Well, this could keep people on Reddit for longer, boosting user engagement and, in turn, ad revenue. It's a clever move to add value to their platform and attract more advertisers. This new feature could definitely help Reddit stay ahead of the competition, and investors seem pretty excited about its potential. Okay, now let's talk about what analysts are saying. Even though some people roll their eyes at analysts, it's important to pay attention if you're thinking about investing. Big names like Citi's Ronald Josie and Guggenheim's Michael Morris have both slapped a buy rating on Reddit, with price targets of $200 and $210 respectively. That's some solid backing. But it doesn't stop there. Riley raised their price target on Reddit to $187 from $112, and they're also recommending a buy. Their optimism comes from the idea that Reddit is in the early innings of its growth story, and as they scale, they could see some serious success. Here's the thing, Reddit hasn't always been profitable. In fact, the company posted losses of $159 million in 2022 and $91 million in 2023. But after their IPO in 2024, things started turning around. In third quarter 2024, Reddit posted a net income of $30 million. That's a big turnaround, and it shows that Reddit's growth is starting to pay off. Of course, no company is perfect. Reddit does face some challenges. For one, it's still mostly an English-language platform, so expanding globally could be tricky. Then there's the traffic flooding issue, where big subreddits get so much content that individual posts get buried. Reddit has been trying to solve this with sub-subreddits and the karma system, but it's still a work in progress. Another issue is ideological bias. Some people believe that Reddit's platform tends to favor certain political viewpoints, which can limit diversity in discussions. This could be a problem for some users, but it's something the platform is still working on. So what's the bottom line? Reddit's stock is on fire, and for good reason. The company is growing fast, making smart moves like Reddit Answers, and it's finally becoming profitable. Analysts are generally optimistic about its future, and while there are a few challenges, Reddit's potential is undeniable. If you're thinking about jumping into Reddit stock or just want to keep an eye on it, there's a lot to be excited about. But of course, always do your own research before making any investment decisions. That's all we've got for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. What do you think about Reddit's future? Are you bullish on the stock, or do you have some reservations? Let's chat in the comments. And as always, make sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest stock news and trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.